In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chat history from iPhone to Android using a cable. Follow the steps that I'm going to share in this video without skipping any part so that the process completes seamlessly and you can avoid any errors. This process is the same for a newly unboxed mobile or a formatted Android mobile. I'm showing this on a Samsung mobile phone and it's pretty much the same on any Android device. Start setting up the mobile phone and connect it to Wi-Fi or the internet because we are going to add a Google account during this setup process, which is compulsory. And by the way, if you want to see how to set up Samsung mobile ad free, you can check out that video in the iCards. After connecting to Wi-Fi, take the cable depending on your iPhone model. If you have a USB type A cable, you'll need a converter. Otherwise, you can transfer wirelessly. You will see this option during the setup process on the Android mobile phone. It's called Copy Apps and Data. Here, click on Next, then again Next, and after that click on Agree. Next, allow the permissions and select the source here. As we are transferring from iPhone, choose the iPhone or iPad option. If you want, you can transfer wirelessly or from iCloud as well. Connect the cable to the iPhone and Android device. It will automatically connect and a pop-up screen appears on the iPhone asking whether you trust the device. Click on the Trust the device. If you accidentally removed the cable or clicked Don't Trust, just remove the cable and reconnect it. The same option will appear once again. Next, on the Android phone, click on Scan for data and it shows the list like this. From the list, you can select or deselect what you want to transfer from iPhone. Click on Continue. It will ask you to sign into your Google account. After successfully signing into your Google account and selecting the apps and data you want to copy from iPhone, click on the Install option. If you only want to transfer data, you can just select the data option without selecting the applications. Now, a QR code will be shown on the Android mobile. Open the scanner on your iPhone and scan it. Next, it will ask for permission to move the chart history to Android. Click on Start. After that, you can complete the setup of your Android phone. Meanwhile, the data will start transferring from iPhone in the background. After successfully setting up your Android mobile, in the notification panel, you can see the transfer progress. If you click on it, it will show the percentage completed. It takes a few minutes or sometimes hours depending on your chart history size. After completion, it will organize the data. Now you can remove the cable. It takes some time to organize. Later, it shows the data transfer results. Click on Next and in the next window, click Next again. Here it asks you to turn off iMessage on your iPhone. You can read the instructions clearly there. After that, click on Next and hit Done. Now install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store and log in with your mobile number. Later, a pop-up will be shown like this on the screen to import chart history from iPhone to this mobile phone. Click on Start and wait for some time. That's it. Now your WhatsApp history is successfully transferred from iPhone to Android. If you want to know how to transfer WhatsApp history from Android to iOS, including data and applications, click this video. Also check out these other videos related to different settings on iPhone. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome tricks followed by mobile reviews, gadget reviews, tutorials, etc. Check the description box for more resources. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.